If you've been keeping up with the tech news this week, you might have heard a lot about 5G and mobile phones in general. Most of this news is coming out of Mobile World Congress, which is a giant tech conference where mobile phone manufacturers are showing off their latest tech. Now, a lot of the hype has been around folding screen phones, but 5G is the next big thing. Now, most people's experience with 5G will be through their mobile phones, but it's meant to be for a lot more than that. Everything from self-driving cars to medical devices, smartwatches, IoT sensors and drones will all benefit from the advantages that 5G will bring. Now, the 5G network is a huge upgrade over 4G. You can expect speeds at least 20 times greater than 4G, improved latency, which means you can connect to the network faster, and the amount of devices connected at once at any time is truly immense, which means in a crowded location you'll get a better experience. So what all this means is that 5G is more efficient, allows devices to communicate quicker, faster, with less power, which will truly bring in that connected world that we've all been hearing about. Now, mobile technologies and services account for 4.4% of GDP globally. By 2020, next year, that is expected to hit 4.9%. Now, let me know below in the comments how your business would like to tap into that market and utilize 5G to offer a better experience for your customers or your employees, or if you just want to let me know what you see a connected world looking like.